What's the meaning of by? By. By.
By. By. The word by can be used as a preposition, an adverb, or a particle. As a preposition, by indicates the agent performing an action or the means used to accomplish something. For example, the book was written by the author, or I traveled to New York by plane. As an adverb, by can indicate the proximity of time or position, as in I'll be there by 5 o'clock or he passed by without stopping. As a particle, by is often used in phrasal verbs such as get by or go by. In summary, by is a versatile word that serves a variety of functions in the English language.